Oof. I've only seen this in pictures. Feels nice to come here.
Okay, then that's it.
Okay guys, happy weekend.
Okay guys.
Take care of you.
Yes sir.
Yeah.
Happy weekend.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Okay, it's 9:40 of Friday. It was a very hectic week, and tomorrow we plan to ride. Before that, I have to call Mr. Niteesh because he had some plan. So let's give him a call. Calling Niteesh.
Cheers to the one that we got. Cheers to the wish you were here tonight, 'cause the drinks bring back all the memories.
हाँ भाई, क्या सेट है ना कल का?
हाँ वही मैं पूछ रहा हूँ, तेरा सेट है ना?
हाँ सेट है। तो कहाँ पे मिलना है?
फाटा है ना नासिक, तू वही अपना वो रेलवे स्टेशन तू बोल रहा
खड़की स्टेशन।
हाँ
ठीक है। तो कितने बजे मिलना है सुबह?
सुबह 6:30।
ठीक है, सेट है।
तो 6:30 बजे वही स्टेशन के वहाँ पे ना?
चलेगा चल। गुड नाइट। Okay, now we have to go down and prepare the bike and pack for tomorrow. So, see you tomorrow morning. Khadki. Okay, now we are on the right road. So we should be meeting Niteesh soon. And we should be meeting Niteesh somewhere here. Good morning. अभी ये टाइम ब्लॉग एडिट कर रहे हैं, मजा आने वाला है। इसके साथ मराठी में बात करूंगा, तेरे साथ इंग्लिश में बात करूंगा, और ब्लॉग इंग्लिश में होता है।
नहीं इसे इंग्लिश में बोलना फिर।
नहीं रे, वो मजा नहीं आता है, फीलिंग नहीं आता है वो। Malshej Ghat, I have to go straight. Google shows me left. So we now have to look for a petrol pump. So we have a half tank. Okay. Petrol is done. We are good to ride non-stop now. And it's hot. Though it looks cloudy and cold, but it's hot. एक अलग ही confidence आता है when your petrol tank is full. Somehow, I don't know. Feels like you've been unleashed. बहुत ही unusual है भाई ये टाइम पे ट्रैफिक। हाँ? Finally the road has opened up. That's what I thought. But as soon as I turned on the camera, here we are. That's a weird way to sit. We came at this restaurant. हमारा वर्डिक बोलो होटल के बारे में, कैसा है?
अरे बहुत मस्त है,
जगह तो अच्छी है, बट
बहुत अच्छी है।
हाउ अबाउट द फूड?
आप लोग भी कभी आइएगा इस जगह पे, कीजिएगा।
अरे ये तो नेचुरल व्लॉगर है रे।
अरे ये
इसका नाम हमें पता नहीं है, हम बाद में डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में डाल
इसका
देंगे।
नाम जीवन है, जीवन।
अच्छा जीवन है।
बस जीवन करिए उसको।
अच्छा जीवन का मजा लेने आपको आना चाहिए फिर यहाँ पे।
सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़ वो है, वो नहीं, वो टॉयलेट। लेटर ब्रेकफास्ट होटल जीवन। Food was okay. Washroom was clean. Good place to sit. चलो गणपति बाप्पा। एक रास्ता बोल रहा है इधर से, एक रास्ता सीधा भी है। एक ओतुर से होते जाता है, वो आगे से घूम के आएगा। बस देखा, चल। The location in the phone that I've put is correct because we are just racing towards the location right now. If the location is incorrect, then हो गया फिर आज का काम. So we have Malshej 27 kilometers. That's good. That's good. That's good. चुन्नर शिव जन्मभूमि. नाइस. जय शिवाजी, जय भवानी. If I'm not wrong, that is Shivneri. If I'm not wrong, I've been there once. This is amazing, man. This is this is what feels like when you, as a kid, when you should draw mountains and road and houses. This is exactly what it looks like. Wow. Oh, it's all worth it. Traffic is worth it. The 7 days of hectic work is worth it. Getting up at 5 for this is worth it. Oh. दो मिनट रुकते. I think since we have started from Pune, it's only here 12 kilometers away from Malshej where the road has turned bad. I mean, really bad. So it's 11:20. We're done with 1 point. I don't know how many are there. Maybe 3-4 more. Let's see. It's very sunny, and it's like, what do you call it? Oh, look at that. दादा इकडे जेवायचं हॉटेल पण आहे का?
मोटरसायकल तिथे लावा,
हां,
आतमध्ये डाव्या बाजूला आहे ना रेस्टॉरंट.
थैंक यू. और नीतीश, थोड़ा इन्फॉर्मेशन दीजिए हमको रेस्टोरेंट के बारे में. फ्लैमिंगो अच्छा रेस्टोरेंट है, सिर्फ ओपन एयर नहीं है, कोई दिक्कत है. हाँ, बाकी जगह तो काफ़ी अच्छी है. तो अभी क्या प्लान है नीतीश, बता जरा.
अरे
क्या करेंगे? तो वो लोग तो वो भी
इधर.
वापस आ गए, वो गए नहीं वहाँ पे आगे.
कौन?
ये लोग जो गए थे वो.
अच्छा,
चल थोड़ा देखते हैं क्या क्या है.
थोड़ा एक्सप्लोर करेंगे
हाँ,
इधर
और
का
फिर
एरिया.
फिर हाईवे पे जाके खाएंगे ना हम लोग.
यस.
We spent some more time at the backyard of this MTDC hotel, which overlooks the valley, and we could also spot the points that we had visited earlier. So this is the MTDC resort, and this is the washroom if you are here and if you want to run for the washroom. So that's the washroom. I would say it is manageable. Not really sure about women one, but men's is manageable. So at this point the memory of my GoPro camera was full, so I couldn't record anything beyond this point with it. On our way back, we took the Otur Alefata road, which is wide and good, to quickly cover the distance. We had our lunch at this hotel called Nimantran that was around 30 km away from the MTDC. The food and ambience was very good. And we were glad that we finished our lunch here, because post Rajguru Nagar up to our homes, the traffic was insane. We were totally exhausted for the day. But looking back, all the trouble was worth it. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as we did while traveling to this place. Do let me know if you have any questions or suggestions in the comment section. See you again with a new video next Saturday. Until then, remember, good rides create good vibes. Cheers.
हम हैं, ये हमारी बाइक है और यहाँ पे कॉल कर रहे हैं.